What's going on, everybody? It's Ron with Ron Comes and Handy the Tradesman. I'm on my way to a job right now. It's one of my clients. And it's one of the clients I've been having for a while, ever since I started my handyman journey. It's probably like one of my first clients. And he's bought more property. And the thing is, he lives like an hour away, but the property he's buying, he lives about like an hour 30 away. And the property he buys are all like near me, so he sends me out to fix his property. So I'm on my way to fix like the sprinkler system. I guess there's a few sprinklers that are not working properly. And it's the sprinkler heads, because last time I was out there, I just fixed his controllers or stations, because the previous tenant had chewed all the wires up and they weren't turning on. So when I turned them on, or when I fixed the wiring and replaced like the solenoids and stuff like that, I said, hey, yeah, there's some sprinklers that are malfunctioning. And he said, okay, we'll worry about that another time. And I guess this is that time now. So I'm on the way over there, fix this sprinkler heads. There's a lot of them. This is probably a full day's worth, because I know a little bit about sprinklers. I looked on some videos on how to fix them, and they don't seem too difficult. So hopefully it doesn't take me all day. I'm guessing like maybe 4 hours tops, because there's a lot. There's the backyards that are not working, and there's some on the side of the house facing the street that are not working. I say there's probably about 8 of them total. Again, I'm not that knowledgeable, but it doesn't look like they're hard. But I know for me, when I do something for the first time, every time I do it for the first time, it takes me the longest. And then after I keep doing it, I get quicker and quicker and quicker. So we'll see how long this process takes, and I'll show you what I did and how I did it. Yeah, there's a big difference. This grass was like dead, and I'll put the video in so you guys can see. Yeah, this grass wasn't this green. Big difference. That's a little bare right there, but that's okay. And you can tell there's no water coming over here, so it's probably one of them out to fix. I'm probably just gonna fix everything. Over here is where the problem probably happens. You see, there's all this that's just bare, and I wonder if he wants grass over here, because there's no point of putting sprinklers on unless it's for the trees. Maybe that's why. But you see how all the way down here, and then it starts to have grass? Yeah, because that's probably where his property ends at. Yeah, you can see the fence right here. That's where it ends at, and that's where the grass starts happening. So the other house, irrigation, probably starts right here. His is all right here. So let me talk to him, see if he wants grass or not. And then, yeah, we'll figure it out. Now there's some in the back also, in the backyard. So we'll check that out also. I'm not sure if he wants grass there. I don't think there's a point. Maybe that's why there's a barrier right there. So yeah, let's go talk to him and see what's going on. So I'll turn on the station that's the far right. It looks like it's to the one that's in front of the house. So these bushes and flower beds right here. And this one's the one that is wrong. And I told him about this last time. So it looks like it's just missing a cap from the looks of it. It looks like it's missing that cap. So I don't see it around here, because usually it probably sprays off, but I'll go to Home Depot and just buy another cap. Hopefully they have it. So that's one problem. Alright, now I'll turn on the next station. It looks like these are just for the trees. We have this guy right here. This one's clearly broke. see the head right there is broken, so we're just gonna replace that one too. And I gotta change the station to where it's only like maybe like 3 minutes, because this is for trees. So yeah. Now I'm in the backyard, and this one's really bad. I remember how bad this is. So I turned on this one right here. I repaired all this right here. Give it a whole new station. So this one right here, look, that one's flooding. I'm gonna see if I can screw this back in. Oh no, it actually looks like it's broke. Yeah, this piece is broke right here. So this needs a whole new one. I gotta fix that one. That one doesn't even come up. That one doesn't even come up. And this one don't even come up. It's like all broken here. Let's see if my tool can fix this. I wonder what's going on with this guy. I wonder if I just have to turn the flow. No. Let me see if I can turn on the flow. That one seems like it's broken. Yeesh. Let's see. This guy right here. Oop, nope. Yeah, I think these are all broken. They ain't cut this tree too. So let's cut this guy off. These rocks probably broke it. Oh, look at this. There's a branch right here. That's not gonna help. But there's a branch right here. That's probably what broke it. You see this big ass branch? That's probably what broke it too. Got in the way. What is this hole right here? It's like a hole. Oh, wow. I think there's supposed to be a cover on this. Well, this is broke too. I might have just replace all these. So what? After 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 6 maybe. So 6 of these guys. It's bad out here. So we got this pipe. Here's a flower bed all right here. They're all broken. There's that one right there. There's this one right here. And this is not getting the water because that one's broken. There's one down there. Ouch. You see there's one right there. Let's see if you can see the camera. Right there. You have this guy right here that's not even connected to anything. This broke off. You see. And I don't even know where that pipe is at. It's probably back here somewhere. Ugh. And then you have these guys back here. You have that one. That one's broken. I think that one's missing a tip, maybe. You got that one right there. You have that one right there. You have that one right there. These are all in the same station. Station 3, I guess you could say. But I gotta see who wants me to fix these things because yeah, like I said, this is gonna be a full day's of work. So I'm going to Home Depot. Gotta buy me some sprinklers. A lot of these are broken too. All right, so we are starting. So I replaced that one right here. That one's done. So I replaced the whole thing for that one. I just had to replace the sprinkler head for this one. Oh yeah, I replaced the sprinkler head for this one. And then I put a little cap on there, drain cap. And I'm working on this one now. This is so flooded over here that I had to get my shop vac out so I could see where the fitting's at so I could suck all the water out. I'm gonna put a new one on there. So I took that one apart. Let me just get a new one. Show you how easy this process is. Only a few bucks, like $8, $7 I think. And you gotta make sure you pay attention to which one you buy. So this one says 180. So 180 degrees to show you like the spray. And tells you go up to what, 15 feet distance. So let me suck out this water again. New guy on. Make sure there's no debris in there. That's why I was sucking it up. There we go. Honestly, that should be taller. I'll probably replace it later, but that one's too below, or maybe not. I think that, yeah, we'll see. So let's turn the water on and check it out. Nice. Ooh. Oh, they spray a lot better because that one over there was oh my gosh. I gotta turn it off. Let me just turn this real quick. There we go. Now the pressure is a lot better. This was gone, so the water is just shooting out, and it takes away the pressure from everything else. I'm getting all wet here for you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe. Okay. So that fixes that. I can start putting all this mud back. Should wear my boots. I'm in my Champions right now. Didn't plan that out. All right. I think we're good. Let's move my vacuum over here. Oh, it's full of water right now. I fixed that too, by the way. That actually goes to the lights right here. And they did it poorly. He didn't want to pay to do it right, so I just did like a quick fix. It's supposed to have a liquid tight on it to go in there, but he didn't want to pay for all that, so I just did like a little quick fix. Mud all over my shoes. Let's see. And I'm gonna come back. I told him I'll come back and I'm gonna trim this tree for him. I'm gonna trim a bush in there. And I'll probably trim all these rest of these trees too. Let's see, we fixed that. I remember there's these right here. They're all messed up. I don't even know where it's at, but let's turn the water back on and see what we have left. So now we're on the last station. Oh, I need to buy something for this. That's another drain, all clogged. Look at that, all the way in there. Anyways, so there's sprinklers back there. I think I showed you guys before. Right there, and it's like maybe 2 more back there. Reason why they're not shooting out is because all these sprinkler heads are broken off. So it's the same thing with this guy over here. Right there. Right there. They're not at the full potential because we got that leak right there. So the pressure is weak. So there's nothing back here, so there's no reason to have sprinklers back here. So I think what I'm gonna do is just cap all these off back here. I'm about to come back another day because I don't think I found what I wanted at Home Depot. So I'm about to just cap all these guys. And I hope I bought the right ones. I'm so tired of this tree. Let's see. Right here. Whoa, 1 second. So this, I don't know if I can cap it because it looks like it's bitten or damaged. So I'm gonna take this off. You see how it's like damaged? There's that one. I gotta put one right here. Bam, right there. And then since these guys, I got fined. What is this one right here? Oh, this thing is totally broken off. Yeah, so I have to come back. I'm gonna come back, go remove those, or find a thing to where I won't have to dig them up. I can just put a cap on it. I think either Hunter or Toro makes one, but I have to go to a plumbing store. Wash my hands off. Ugh. I have to go to a plumbing store. No, I don't think Home Depot. Home Depot didn't have it, and I didn't check Lowe's because there was no Lowe's around. But I checked those stores to see if they have these caps, so I could just cap them off.